Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I could seriously cry about how I just miss posting videos all the time and how I wish I could just be more in the YouTube scene. But I've been so focused on school, being a mom, Instagram. I've been focusing so much on my Instagram page right now that it's almost like causing me too much stress. But I am so excited for today's video because I'm collaborating again with Cupshe. You guys know that Cupshe is one of my favorite companies ever to work with and to buy any products from. I love everything that they have and they always got really good quality. They've pulled more like clothing versus swimsuits, and it makes me really excited because today I'm doing a fall Cupshe haul, but I do have one swimsuit from the haul that I'm going to show you guys, but the rest of it is just all fall stuff and I'm excited. I'm a little sad just because we live in Hawaii, so I don't really have too much purpose for all of this, but we are doing another Disneyland trip in November and we'll be going home for Thanksgiving. So I have a reason to wear all of this. So I'm really excited about that. But anyways, I am gonna get started on this little haul. I have this top that is very loud. I know it's very loud, but on the model, it was so cute and I couldn't not get it. It is the coolest material, soft, and I'm excited to try it on and show you guys. I'm thinking of just like pairing it with jeans, but you can like dress it up and wear like a pencil skirt with it. So I'll show you guys both ways that you could style this top, but very like fall-y, could be summery too, but this is considered like their fall collection. So super cute. This is a size small. I believe that I ordered everything in a size, no, this is an extra small. So yes, I will let you guys know after I try it on if it's true to size, but look how pretty that is. Okay, here's the pink top. It is so cute and so soft. It could be really cute paired with some jeans. I love it. So cute. Okay, next we have this big chunky sweater that I loved on the model. Just huge. And I believe I got an extra small. Let's see. No, this is a small, but it's not too like, I don't know. If you're in like a cold area, you would want to like layer it. Let me see if you can see the material. But it's like just big, comfy, cozy. So yes, got this skirt that I thought would be really cute paired with a chunky sweater or just like a super tight long sleeve white turtleneck, something like that. I'll see what I can pair with it for when I go back home. This is a size extra small. So we'll see how this fits. Here's what it looks like up close. Super soft, feels good. We'll see what we can make of it. Okay, instead of doing them separately, I'm just gonna show you guys a little clip of what it looks like with these two together. The sweater is so big, I love it. And I think it looks really cute paired with the skirt. The skirt fits really good, super soft, could be really cute with some boots. I love this, so cute. Okay, on the lines of comfy cozy, I'm very excited about this sweat outfit. It's so stinking soft. It's just a plain black jogger type sweat outfit. Not a sweatshirt, but it's just like a long sleeve shirt. And it has like this tight detail right here on the lower half of the sleeve. Super soft. Size, let's see. I'm assuming it's a small. It's a small. So yes, let's see what this looks like on. Okay, I should have tried the sweats on very last because they are so buttery soft and I love them. They are so comfortable. Size small is perfect. I think that if I would have done an extra small, I would have felt a little too restricted. So I sized up. Super cute. Okay, I was really excited about this. This is a size extra small. I made sure to see that firstly. It's a green, like an army green, olive green jumpsuit with like big wide pant legs. So stinking cute. I'm so excited to try this on for you guys. I love this color. The material is like a linen, maybe? I'm not sure. Let's see. I am not sure what the material is, but it feels pretty good. So yes, this could be really cute. Let me show you what it looks like on. Okay, so let me try and back up. Here is the green jumpsuit. It is so cute on. Could be cute paired with a long sleeve shirt, white, a sweater, a turtleneck. So cute. Here, it's perfect for me because I live in Hawaii. Love the pockets. So cute. Could be cute with booties or flats. Love. So cute. It's a size small. I order all size smalls. I feel like if I do an extra small, it's too small on my bum. But the small seems to fit. It's semi high-waisted, I think, is what it looked like. Look at that pattern. How cute is that? So cute. And I was like, you know what? It's very fall colory for Hawaii. So yes, got that. Let me try it on for you guys. Okay, this suit is a 10 out of 10 and I cannot wait until my next beach day. Here is a close-up. Super cute. So be sure to check my description box so you guys can be filled in on the coupon code and all the things that I showed you guys in the video if you're interested. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.